Evening all, we're still at the Britannia International Hotel, myself and Gangster Nan. This is the beautiful Rhiannon, who sadly got murdered by an absolute animal. You know, forever in our hearts, darling. Is there anything you'd like to say, Gangster Nan?
You'll always be in our heart and soul. You will never be forgotten. That's all the pink ladies as well. Love you, Rhiannon.
So we're just having a walk around the hotel now. We're just going to see what's happening. It's all quiet. There's one security guard there. There's Gangster Nan in front. It's very, very cold. Very, very cold indeed. Just walking around the side of the hotel now to have a look. There is some lights on around here, but there's not many. And the coach is due to come in when we was over here yesterday. And Hammers, you know, there was a food delivery and we thought that a coach was coming in, but nothing as yet. So it's just quiet at the minute. As you can see, there is lights on at the back of the hotel, but only 4 rooms. Apart from that, that's it. There's nothing round the other side at the minute. So we're going to be over here for a few hours, just keeping an eye out and hoping that a coach arrives. And we'll document it and film it. We'll keep you updated and posted, everyone. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and we will speak to you soon. Take care, God bless. Gangster Nan.
Take care, see you all soon.